Good morning, Twin Force Fusion. Since the install of my CRPs, a lot of people would ask me, did they change the sound of the car? Did they change the sound of the car? And back then, I had my OEM muffler back on because during winter, I just put the big water tank muffler back in the car. But as a lot of you know, I reinstalled my MRT's shorty mufflers as an axle back last week. So what I'm going to do right now is a cold start in this location. Karen, there's no Karen here, but at my other location that I like to sleep overnight sometimes, some do get mad, so I'll see how loud it is right now. Idle at 600 RPM. In winter, I increase it to 750. Make sure every, the battery doesn't run low. But I personally think, let me just shut this off here a second. I personally think it's less loud than before. It's more bass, more throaty, but I don't see how, because all it is, it's the cold side of the turbo is bigger and the outside is the same. So basically the exhaust, nothing changed since last year. It's the 3-inch downpipes, the MagnaFlow X pipe, the custom 2.5-inch dual all the way until the MRT 2.5 with the Flowmasters. So you be the judge. I'll start again, and that'll be all for this video.